Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to yet another lecture on monitoring and evaluation. In the previous lectures, we had an opportunity to discuss about the M&E framework matrix. I know for a certainty you derived sufficient knowledge to kickstart your journey into building a strong monitoring and evaluation framework. But today, I really want us to talk about another aspect of M&E implementation, and that is the development of a monitoring and evaluation plan. Before I go any further, for those who are new, welcome to the Monitoring and Evaluation Made Simple channel. You can call me George, and I am glad you have taken time out your busy, hectic schedules to come over to learn about monitoring and evaluation. In case you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get the latest updates in M&E. Now, for the reason why we are here. What is a monitoring and evaluation plan? Think of it this way. Imagine you own a big business. You and your team then plan that you would like to achieve 100% profit for the year 2023. Would you not sit down with your team to effectively plan on how you will achieve this? If your answer is yes, then I know you fully understand why you must have a monitoring and evaluation plan in place. Having a plan in place shows that you and your team are committed to ensure that monitoring and evaluation activities are implemented to completion. Proper planning contributes to effectiveness and efficiency of activities. In the next video, my colleague will explain the components of a monitoring and evaluation plan. Please enjoy.
It is just not enough to say you are an institution that believes that monitoring and evaluation should be implemented. You must walk the talk. Listen to me when I utter these words. The monitoring and evaluation plan demonstrates your commitment to see things progress in your institution. Let me explain what the M&E plan is. I would encourage you to take notes. As the saying goes, failing to plan is planning to fail. I don't mean to alarm you in any way, but if you don't have an M&E plan in place, it's really going to hurt your institution in the long run. So, let me give you a few pointers on what the M&E plan is and just how you can develop it. Think of the M&E plan as a living document. When you embark on a journey, whether you are traveling by road or by air, your goal is to ensure you have all the resources you need to fulfill your journey to completion. From personal experience, most times we do our planning by ourselves. But when you are developing a monitoring and evaluation plan, you must undertake this exercise as a team. The reason being is you want to tap into the knowledge and experiences of each of your team members. Remember, no man is an island, and so are you. There are 5 main components of a M&E plan. You have the monitoring and evaluation framework, indicator reference sheets, data flow chart, evaluation, and the budget. All these components together make up the monitoring and evaluation plan. There are quite a number of videos you can refer to on the Monitoring and Evaluation Made Simple YouTube channel that discusses on this. Let's talk about the budget component, because I feel that anything to do with money matters is usually a hot topic everywhere you go. Your M&E plan must contain a budget, and for obvious reasons, you cannot implement your activities without having the hard cash. It's really that simple. If you are an M&E officer, you must ask yourself this question. Where am I going to draw the funds to implement my activities? When developing the plan, include a budget that spells out all the activities you really intend to do, whether it's M&E trainings or monitoring field missions. These activities must be budgeted for. Here are a list of activities I feel you should budget for. You may budget for the baseline survey, the midterm evaluation, and endline evaluation. Further to that, you may budget for M&E trainings, monitoring field missions, equipment, and additional support staff if need arises. Now let me make this very clear. Even when you have a fantastic budget for your M&E activities, you must make sure that it is cleared and approved by the project management team, because they are the budget holders of the overall project budget. Even though they ask you to cut down, don't let that discourage you. At the end of the day, you should remember that you are only doing your job. Thank you for watching. See you next time.